Openex Intelligence Technology is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the development and manufacturing of AI-powered machine vision inspection systems, along with integrated automation solutions. We bring together mechanical design, electrical engineering, optics, software, and algorithm development under one roof, enabling us to deliver fully customized systems tailored to each customer's production needs. Our systems combine multiple inspection technologies to meet different products, features, and accuracy requirements. We use 2D vision for regular surface defect detection and dimensional measurement. For more complex features or higher precision requirements, we integrate additional methods such as image measuring systems, 3D inspection technologies, or other suitable solutions based on the application. When required, non-destructive testing methods such as eddy current, as well as various gauges, can be incorporated to ensure reliable and comprehensive inspection results. We provide both standalone inspection machines and fully integrated systems with automated feeding, sorting, assembling, packaging, and palletizing, helping manufacturers enhance quality control and significantly improve production efficiency. Our solutions are widely used across industries such as automotive, precision machining, fasteners, powder metallurgy, semiconductors, medical devices, electronics, and more, wherever high-speed and high-accuracy inspection is essential. We've delivered systems to customers across a growing number of countries, including Germany, France, Spain, Portugal, the United States, Canada, Israel, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and beyond. At Openex, we help manufacturers inspect smarter, move faster, and deliver better with intelligent vision systems built for real-world production.